Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of Getyn CRM. In this video we will be looking at the tickets module. This is where you can track and manage your customer issues and support requests all from one place. So let's quickly dive in and explore this module. So as you click on the tickets module, this is the interface which is visible to you, and I would be exploring each and every aspect of this interface. So starting with the create button. So in the top right corner, you get a create ticket button. So as you click on it, a small window would appear with having multiple fields. So you need to provide first thing, which is going to be the title of the ticket. So uh, let's keep it to be the test ticket 4. Then you need to provide a small description like this is a test ticket. Then you can specify the priority of the ticket. So giving it a high priority for now. Then you can specify the source from which you are getting the ticket. So currently I am creating, so I would be going with the manual source, but accordingly you can choose email, phone, chat, web form, whatever you require. Then you could also specify a category in which the ticket would be parked. So for now, giving it a testing category. Then you can map the related accounts as well. So for now, I'm going with this Taurus consultancy. So let me give a disclaimer first. This is a demo account and the data is all dummy data. So there's no such consultancy in real. Then you can also map the contact. So I'm going with the John Parker, then related deal, same as John Parker, then click on the create ticket. So yeah, your test ticket 4 is created and it is having the related account Taurus, contact John, priority high, status open, created on 3rd August, updated, last updated is 3rd August 26 July. Now talking about the other aspects of the ticket module. So at the top you get these metric cards representing the total open tickets, tickets in progress, overdue tickets, and tickets which are resolved today. So this is all dummy data. It's all for the explanation purpose only. Then you get this search bar. Here you can search the ticket in case you have a very large volume of tickets. You can also add few filters. So the first filter is on the basis of the status. So currently all these status are visible, but you can choose the open, in progress, waiting, resolve and closed according to your use case. And then you can also filter on the basis of the priority levels. So currently all priorities are visible, but you can accordingly choose the low priority, medium, urgent and high. Let me show you. If I go with the medium priority, only one ticket would be visible. So that is how you can filter out the tickets. You can search out the tickets. Now going further, if you click on the ticket, sorry, yeah, if you click on the ticket, the details of the ticket would get appear in a side panel. So here you would be seeing the title of the ticket, what is the current status, priority, and then in the detail section, you would be see the complete description of the tickets in which you get the description, you get the status, the priority, then you get the linked records in which you get the accounts, contact, and deal. Then in the metric section, you get like for how long the ticket has been created, what was the last update, and what was the resolve date, and the source of the ticket. Then going to the conversation part. So here, if you had any conversation between the agent and the customer, uh, it would appear here, and the agent could reply from here as well. So if I just say hello, pardon my typing, and just click on the send reply button. So yeah, here you can see the agent reply is visible, and accordingly the customer reply would be also visible here. And you could also provide the internal note as well. So these notes would only be visible to the agents only. Now, moving further and talking about the activities part. So, in this, all the recent related activities with the ticket would be visible. So, like you could see the ticket created activity on 3rd August, then the ticket getting resolved, that is the ticket resolved activity is similarly on the 3rd August. And then at the last, we get the related section as well. So here, as you could see, no related records configured, enable them in the settings, customization and relationship. So as I mentioned before, it is a dummy account. So I have enabled only few settings for now, just for the purpose of explanation. So accordingly, you can utilize all these sections by all these sections as your use case. So yeah, that was it in this video. And in the coming videos, we will be exploring some more features of the Getyn help desk and Getyn CRM and many more Getyn applications. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, and see you in the next one.